my eyes. They hurt so much. Max? Your eyes are all red. I can't stop rubbing them. Mom! Mom, come quickly! Max, let's play outside. Okay, but we play my way. Yay! Let's dig in the garden. Move over. Let me dig here. I am the best at digging. Look, I made a sandcastle. Mine is much bigger than yours. It is getting dark now. Okay, let's go back inside.
Wash your hands, both of you. You played in the dirt all day.
Okay, Mom. I will wash mine. Later, Mom. I am busy now. I want to play my game first. This game is so fun.
Max, you are too close again. Hold the screen far from your eyes.
My eyes are super strong, Mom. I can watch all day. No problem.
Watch closely again and I take it.
No. Do not take my game. I know a good idea. Mom won't see me here. Ugh. Now I can play in secret. Max, do not watch under the blanket. Mom is right. It is bad for you. Go away, Ellie. I am fine. My eyes feel tired. Wait, why do they sting? They are getting dry and itchy. Let me rub them. Max, do not rub them. It feels a little better. No. Now they itch even more. Your hands are still dirty, Mac. I can't stop rubbing. Ow. They feel hot and sore. My eyes really hurt. I can't see very well. Max, your eyes are so red. This is bad. I will get Mom. No. Do not tell her everything. But you need help, Max. Promise you won't tell her. Max, Okay, I promise. She will be so angry with me. But I must get help. Sorry. Mom! Mom, come quickly! Max's eyes are very red.
Max, what happened? Why are your eyes so red?
It is nothing, Mom. Maybe some dust got in them.
Dust? Let me take a look. Oh dear. They are very red. Do not rub them anymore, honey. Come to the sink with me.
Let me wash them with water. It still feels itchy.
Blink slowly. Try not to rub.
Mom, it was because Ellie, you promised me.
Promised what? Ellie, tell me.
I can't say, Mom.
Let me put a cool cloth on them.
That feels a little better, but it itches again.
No, Max, do not touch them. Did you rub them with dirty hands?
No, Mom, I promise.
Were you watching the screen closely?
No, I did not.
Then why are they so red?
I don't know.
Max, please tell the truth.
Your eyes really need help.
I am scared, Ellie. You promised you would not tell.
I am keeping my promise. But you should tell her yourself. No, not yet. I feel a little scared.
Let me see his eyes.
David, his eyes are very red. We washed them, but nothing helps.
They look swollen and sore.
This needs a real doctor.
Let's go to the clinic now.
A doctor? Do I have to go?
Yes, Max. The doctor will help you. Do not be afraid. We are here.
My eyes still hurt so much.
I know, honey. Almost there now.
Will the doctor hurt my eyes? No, Max. The doctor is gentle.
I feel a little scared. It is okay to feel scared. Hold my hand, my sweet boy.
Okay, Mom.
We are here. Everybody out.
Hello there. My name is Bloom. You must be Max. Please sit here.
Hello. I am Max.
I hear your eyes hurt a lot. Do not worry. I will help you. Look up for me, please.
Okay. I am looking up.
Let me take a look. Oh my. They are very red inside. What is wrong, doctor? His eyes have an infection. Did you rub them with dirty hands?
Yes. I did.
And did you watch a screen closely?
Yes. I hid under the blanket too. I am so sorry, everyone. And I made Ellie keep it secret.
I am glad you told the truth now. Screens too close make eyes tired. The dark blanket makes it much worse. So that is why they got so red. Yes. Dirty hands bring germs too. Here are some gentle eye drops. Keep screens far and rest your eyes.
I understand now. I am sorry.
Why did you hide it, honey?
I was scared you would be angry.
I am not angry. I was worried. Always tell me the truth, okay?
I promise, Mom. I will tell you. And I will keep screens far away.
And do not ask Ellie to hide things.
I am sorry, Ellie. That was wrong.
It is okay. I forgive you, Max.
Ellie, you did the right thing. You got help, even when it was hard.
I was so scared for you, Max. Thank you, Ellie. You are the best.
Remember this, my children. Keep screens far from your eyes, and never rub them with dirty hands.
Always wash your hands first. Now let's all go home together.
Yes. And I will rest my eyes.